Welcome back to Natalie's Toy Box, and today in the toy box we have some cute wind-up toys. I got these at Walgreens. They were in a bin for I think you got 3 for $10. I thought that was pretty good, and I've never seen, they had lots of different other ones. I picked out these 3 because I've never seen these before. So we're gonna play with them today in today's video. So let me show you to them a little bit better, one at a time. So get them out of the way. And I'm going to start with this one first. There we go. And take his little tag off. Be it said I can get his tag off. Here we go. So obviously to me this is the clapping monkey. I'm, big Toy Story fan. They had him in there. Let me get him a little bit closer. Hopefully you guys can see him good. He's got his symbols and his feet, and it looks like he walks. So let me wind him up a little bit. Let's watch him in action. That's cool. Let me wind him up some more. So there is the clapping monkey. Alright, next, this toy, there we go. This toy, actually, I saw this one first, and this is what actually got me interested in getting them. His jump rope is in the way. But this is a jump roping sock monkey. I saw him first, and he was just sitting on the shelf, and I had to dig behind some other products to get to him. And when I saw there was more of him and all kinds of others, that's when But I thought, how in the world can this thing jump rope? But you guys won't believe it. He does. He jumps rope. So let me wind him up. Oh yeah, and he moves a lot. I don't know how it works, but it does. It's really cool. So that is our jump roping sock monkey. That is really cute. There he is a little bit closer. So he's got a little jump rope, and I like his hat and his feet, and he jumps. I don't quite know how he jumps, but he jumps. So there's that one. And then our last one, at first, when I picked this one up, I thought he went, like this. But later, after playing, I found he doesn't. So here he is. He's a frog. And his arms move. And his feet move. So, allow me to show you what he does. Alright. There he comes. I thought that was just so cool, you guys. It's a dancing frog. I'm not sure what dance he's doing, but it's just very cool. I could watch him all day. He's pretty cool. So, there we have all three of our wind-up toys that I got at Walgreens. So, this week's video, or this video is a short video, but that's what I got for today. So, thanks for watching. Remember to leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, share on social media, and if there's a toy you'd like to see me review on this channel, leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching.